how to use ChatGPT without an account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, did you know that you can use ChatGPT without creating an account? It's really simple. So, let's dive right in. You can just head over to your browser and then search for ChatGPT and then click on the first link, and then you can see the login option in the top right, but still you can ask anything as guest. So just ask your question and then hit send, and ChatGPT will answer you even without logging in. So it's really simple. And if you want to download an app and then use without logging in, then you can do that too. Just install the ChatGPT app, open it up, and here too you can ask anything to ChatGPT without signing up, and it works perfectly. And there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.